Hey everybody, Adam Arkfeld with ParaCore, and today I'm going to be going over the new multi-touch cost per lead feature that CallRail has recently rolled out. CallRail is really investing a lot of time and energy into the data and analytics behind your marketing campaigns and their integration with platforms like AdWords and other systems. So what I'm looking at right now, I'm looking at our branded portal. So we have a green banner with ParaCore in the upper left instead of CallRail, which you're probably used to. But when you click on reports right here in the top, and then it'll automatically load in, what you'll see is you're going to see a new link here called MultiTouch CPL. Now, for the next few weeks, it's August 29th, I think until maybe September 18th, this tool is free, and you can opt in to a certain price point early. And when you opt in right now, it's either $5 for the basic plan, 15 for the pro, and then I think 25 for the higher level or something along those lines. And if you're pro plan like we are, we have a lot of clients on this account. It's 15 bucks for all the clients. So it's actually not that expensive. And we're gonna, I think, start trying to do client billing, which starts to bill back the clients because they can be quite costly to be running call tracking. So those actually offset each other, and you can actually save your clients money rather than them maybe signing up for their own CallRail account. So anyway, right now this is free, but it's not going to be free for very long. And then it's going to be $15 a month for the pro plan, which is what we use, $5 for basic. And then it might be a little bit more expensive when you're actually watching this video, but that's what it is today. And I know that this is kind of a version 1.0. So here, when you get into the MultiTouch CPL tool, this is what you have. And this essentially reflects the data coming out of AdWords, right? So this is a client that we run ads for. You have the campaign. You can see that broken down into different campaigns. You have the ad group, and you can see that broken down into different ad groups. And then you have the keyword. And what they're doing is they're pulling in raw leads and data and cost, and then they're creating a cost per lead. So this is an aggregate across all of the different campaigns. And raw leads, by CallRail's definition, is that this is where the first touch generated the lead. And these drop downs here, this is a keyword, so this allows us to see keywords, and this is ad ID. So they're pulling in the ad ID so you can see which ads are generating leads and which aren't. So this is kind of a low volume account when it comes to calls, but I just wanted to give you guys a feel for what it looked like because there can be a lot of client data in these because it's all keywords and ad groups and the structure of your ad campaign basically. So here we can see it's 1477, the first touch model. Excuse me, this drop down then does the different, allows you for the data to be shown with different attribution models. So this is the first touch model, the lead creation model, 50-50, qualified, and W-shaped. And I would say right now, the interface itself doesn't explain these models, and I know that CallRail's putting in some work to roll this out and make it more robust. But right now, it's basically just giving you the name of the model. When you change these, it'll say, this is 12 raw leads now. And then you have the 50-50 model, 11.5. You've got the qualified model, 0, and then W-shaped. So these are all different attribution models that you might be familiar with by working within AdWords. And lead attribution is just a common problem across the board. Does the advertising platform that got the first click get the credit even if they hit 5 other touch points? Or is it the last click? Or do you distribute it evenly? Or is there some sort of preference given? So basically what CallRail is doing is they're giving you the ability to look at the data in different ways. And then you can take this data and export it into a CSV. Currently, that's the multi-touch cost per lead feature as far as it's available. I do know that CallRail is going to be rolling out more features and making this more robust, and I'm going to be keeping you updated on those changes. But right now, this is the MultiTouch CPL tool. So if you're interested in checking it out or haven't heard of it or whatever, this is what we have. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. My name's Adam. I'm with ParaCore. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and please comment below if you'd like to open a conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.